Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some more amazing long to short hair transformations. So here we see someone with long curly hair. The stylist ends up doing a very cute and trendy tapered haircut. Now this is a huge trend for those who do have curly strands and they're looking for a new way to shake things up. This curly pixie tapered cut is a great hairstyle to check out. Absolutely gorgeous. Love the final results. And then we do have someone who has curly hair for the next one as well. She's got this really pretty soft ginger tone. And it looks like the stylist is just kind of trimming up the hair, cutting off a few inches here. Using that very popular twist and cut method. Ooh, beautiful shoulder length bob cut. I think that the color looks absolutely gorgeous. Now, as always, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, looks like we have another bob in the works. Stylist does a nice traditional bob length here. Ooh, gorgeous tassel texture. Very nice classic bob style. And then we move into a bit of a cut refresh. I love her white hair. So pretty. So it looks like the stylist is doing another bob for this one as well, freshening up the color to a nice platinum all around. Very nice. Looks like we have another bob transformation here. So he is gonna do some color, some more cutting, even shorter. Ooh, beautiful brunette bob. Classic center part down the middle. Very nice. All right, you guys, so I'm going to leave you to check out these last few long to short hair transformations.